Viewers, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this OIC road project here in Jeshwang. Yeah, it is Jeshwang, New Jeshwang. How it looks currently. Yeah, so yeah, let me just turn the camera and then start showing you how it looks. So guys, this is the new OIC road project here in New Jeshwang. Yeah, so this road also is a concrete road. This is how it looks. And then guys, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share with friends and families. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it looks here. This is the condition of the road. So this road too has two gutters, like this side, and that other side. So this one is bigger than that one. Let me show you how it looks. That one looks. This is Africa, the Gambia, the new road development here in New Jeshwang. It's so sunny out here. So guys, I'm talking about this one. Yeah, this other gutter. That one is bigger and deeper than this one. So this is how it looks here, and this is the neighborhood. Yeah, this is the surrounding. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share with friends and families. Yeah, it really helps a lot. This is the Canopy industrial area. So guys, this is the current situation here on this OIC road project here in New Jeshwang. So this is the machine they are using to do the work, like the concrete work. This is the machine that do the concrete. So guys, as you can see, this is where the concrete have stopped yet, and this is the machine, and this other side doesn't have any concrete yet. That's why it looks like this. Yeah. So they started from that side going towards that end. Alright guys, my people, this is how the road work is going on here. Guys, this is new Jeshwang. This is what they are making. So guys, let me show you the gutter here on this side. So this road gonna have concrete, like they're gonna do the same thing they do over there, like which is concrete in this side. Yeah, this is new Jeshwang. So guys, this is where they have stopped here. As you can see, their machine parking there, the place they have stopped. So this is where they got a two stop, which is here on this other side. So guys, I'll be ending the video here. As always, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. Yeah, I'm out. Peace. This is all what I have for you on this OIC road project here in New Jeshwang. This is how it looks after the summit. Yeah, still now road work is going on. Yeah, and then guys, you can support me on buy me a coffee so that I can produce better and quality videos updating you about places here in the Gambia and maybe outside of the Gambia. Yeah, I'm out. See you next time. Let me show you this area. This is how it looks here. So this is the Gambia. Yeah.